Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share my last page in my Artisan Journal Prompt 2024 book. I had bought this book at Barnes & Noble for like $7 or something. They were clearing out some stationery, and I found this book in their clearance, and I picked it up for this collaboration. And Patti over at Patti's Life, or Life with Patti, was hosting, but she's going to take a break, and then Kiki at Kiki's Life will take it over and continue with prompts and everything for 2025. Um, I unfortunately am not going to take part. Oh, well, yeah, I don't know if I will. What I had done is I took all the pages out of my artisan, this book. I had tons of more paper that I could have gone on, but I'm good. If I do continue, if I decide to continue, I want to use a different journal. This one was way too big. I'd like to have like a smaller, a smaller one. Maybe that will be easier for me to keep up with it, because I did stumble along the way. I didn't complete it every week, which you don't have to complete it every week, but I always think that it would be nice. But I always seemed like I was catching up, or I just didn't have my mojo, or I didn't until later. you know. Okay, so here is the last prompt of the year. Oh my gosh. I just added some paper, some book pages from my stash. I tore it, I inked it, I crumbled it up. It's like, like if you're done with something, you crumple it up and then you throw it away. um, but I love that technique of just making it look grungy and old, and I wanted it to look, or to look like my first page. And added some stickers from my stash. It's let's all these vintage stickers. I could add more, but I kind of loaded this page up with stickers. But I added some paper. These are like luggage tags that I tore and added to my page. I added some Tim Holtz dolls. And then I used some stickers for the word of the end. So I want to thank Patti for a great collaboration, and I'm sure Kiki's going to do wonderful next year. And yeah, so thank you everybody for watching, stopping by, commenting. I do appreciate each and every one that does, and I read them all, and I may not comment back, but I do always leave a heart, and because I read each and every one of them. So thank you, Patti, once again, and thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.